Hey everyone, it's Lauren with the Parish Group here with our next edition of the Slate 101 series. Today we're going to walk through creating your first voyage. Creating a Voyager map takes 2 steps of configuration with the query and the layer. First, you'll want to configure the layer to your specifications. Once you're ready to edit the query, it is important to include all the exports you'd like to see, including the US 5-digit zip code export you see me adding here. These exports will be the rows of data you see below your map. For today's example, we're going to filter our data based on records within Wayne County, North Carolina. As we head back to the voyage, you can see that our second layer is not yet displayed. Step 2 of creating a successful voyage requires you to go back and configure the location settings using the US 5-digit zip code export we pulled earlier. This is how you communicate with Slate the data that you wish to be shown on your Voyager map. Now that we go back to the main voyage, we can see our records are properly displaying now. The Parish Group is a Slate Gold partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.